The Boeing 747-400 once ruled long-haul skies. Now it's almost gone, and Boeing is betting everything on the 777X to replace it. Airlines want smaller jets that burn less fuel, carry nearly as many passengers, and don't need 4 engines to cross oceans. The 777X delivers on that promise with huge range, lower emissions, and GE9X engines larger than a 737 fuselage. Emirates alone has ordered 205 of them, and others like Lufthansa, Qatar, and Singapore are following. Cargo carriers are also signing up for the 777-8F, built to carry over 110 tons. But it hasn't gone to plan. The aircraft is years behind schedule. One fuselage failed stress testing. The first delivery is now expected in late 2026, nearly a decade after it was announced. Emirates has voiced frustration over Boeing's delays, calling them expensive and disruptive. Meanwhile, Airbus is making gains. The A350 has already entered service with over 650 deliveries. It burns less fuel, is made from composites, and is quietly capturing orders from airlines unwilling to wait. Boeing hoped the 777X would inherit the 747's crown. It still might, but it will have to fight for it. The Boeing 777X is a strong contender to replace the Boeing 747-400, offering several advantages. Its capacity, for instance, is impressive, with a 2-class layout accommodating 426 passengers, which is closer to the 747's 524 passengers in a 2-class layout. So, in terms of range, the 777-9 has a range of 7,285 nautical miles, which is just a bit less than the 747-8's 7,730 nautical miles. But honestly, this range is still more than enough to serve similar destinations. The 777X also boasts of some really modern technology, including the largest engines ever placed on a passenger aircraft. Those are the General Electric GE9X engines. These engines provide 105,000 pounds of thrust and are actually 20% more efficient than the engines on the 777-300ER. Additionally, the 777X has a lower operating cost than the 747-400, with a 30% reduction in fuel cost per seat. Its twin-engine design also makes it more fuel efficient and, more environmentally friendly compared to the 4-engine 747. Some airlines, like British Airways, have already placed orders for the 777X to replace their retiring 747 fleets. The 777X is expected to enter service in early 2025, marking a pretty significant shift towards more efficient and environmentally friendly aircraft. Boeing's ability to compete with Airbus is indeed uncertain, especially considering the significant delays in delivering the Boeing 777X airplanes. The 777X program has faced numerous setbacks, including manufacturing complications, worker strikes, and rigorous certification processes, which have pushed the delivery timeline to mid-2027 or possibly 2028. These delays have not only affected Boeing's reputation, but also impacted its customers, such as Emirates, which has been forced to adjust its fleet modernization plans and invest in retrofitting its existing fleet. The prolonged wait has also led to concerns about the aircraft's interior design and technology, with Emirates abandoning its original plans and opting for a comprehensive retrofit program instead. In contrast, Airbus has been steadily increasing its production rates, with a total of 56 aircraft produced in April 2025, compared to Boeing's 37. Airbus's A320neo family program has been particularly successful, with 40 units produced in April 2025, although the company still faces challenges in meeting its production targets due to supply chain issues. While Boeing has a strong backlog of orders, including 426 777X orders, the company's ability to deliver on these orders in a timely manner remains uncertain. The relocation of 38 orders to a special accounting category due to increased uncertainty about these sales further highlights the challenges Boeing faces. Boeing's delays in delivering the 777X airplanes have undoubtedly impacted its ability to compete with Airbus. However, the company's strong backlog of orders and its efforts to address the challenges it faces suggest that it is not out of the game yet.